we need another black solid layer, new solid, okay? New solid, all right? We need another new solid. And we will choose add the mode to this solid, add the mode. Okay? That means if you have something not black, it will add onto those layers below. Okay? Then we choose effect, text, numbers. Alright, and we will use color for just now. Later I will tell you the right font. And we change the color to white. And we increase the decimal places to 4. Okay? Alright? And we move we should shrink the size first, then we move the position, because if you have the wrong size, you will have the wrong place. So we decrease the size by dragging this maybe 12. Yes, 12 is good enough. And we move it down and then move it right to about this place. Okay? We can do some adjustment later. So I'd like to switch back to you, and please have a new black solid and change to add mode. And we call the effect text function numbers. Okay? And then we change the color to white, and we change the decimal places to 4, and we shrink the size to 12, and we move the position to here.